This one massive trading mistake changed my entire trading day from a green day to a break even day. Greed. Let's talk about it. Everybody goes through greed at one point in time in their trading career. When you see the P&L, it's going up and up and you're making tons of money and you just want to make more and squeeze every little penny out the market. And then next thing you know, the market ends up reversing on you and you end up taking less profit than what you had. That pretty much sums up my entire trading day. That was a massive lesson that the market decided to teach me today. And had I just taken my profit and followed my original plan, even the losses that I would have taken wouldn't have affected me and I still would have been green on the day. And moving forward, I've got to just stick to my plan and forget about everything else. Forget about all the other noise that's around. Just stick to the plan, man. That's it. It's simple. It's easy. So let's get right into the trade that I took and what ultimately ended up making me so damn greedy. Lately, I've been trading NQ and I had an A+ setup on my hands and I fumbled the bag hard. Normally, people would have FOMO'd on this big green candle that we got right here, but I didn't FOMO. And then we came all the way back down right to my demand zone where I was looking to trade. I ended up getting an entry at 15,984.25 and I had a 10-point stop loss. I was only risking $200, y'all. 200 to make 6. It was a great trade, great setup. I'd take it 10 out of 10 times and I moved my stop loss. I saw this big green candle right here and I got greedy. The greed kicked in. It was like, yo, you could make $1,000. I had that little devil on my shoulder. You can make $1,000, Justin. Just stay in the trade. You got it. Oh man, and I moved it. We hit my take profit almost perfectly, and then we dumped all the way back down to my entry. Now, I did end up getting out for a small profit, which I'll show you in my trading journal, but we came back down to my entry, and then we proceeded to go all the way up to where my second take profit was, which was the high of day, and I would have got that $1,000, but the emotions and the fear of not taking any profit at all and letting the trade really go red on me really got to me. So all these emotions, greed started it, then it was fear, then I got out because I wanted to protect myself, and then next thing I knew, the market was up to my profit target and I would have had $1,000. So moral of the story is don't let greed get in the way. Just have your profit target, follow your plan, and don't move anything. I had brackets. There was no reason for me to move it. It would have been a great trade, and instead I completely fumbled it. But let's look at my trading journal so y'all can see how much I actually made on the trade. And then I'll tell y'all about the rest of my day. It didn't get any better. Over here on TradeZilla now, you can see the trade that I took. My P&L, $250. At one point, I was up like $600. And I let it come all the way back down to $250. That 3-to-1 risk reward I was talking about, yeah, didn't get it. 1.25 R risk to reward, 1.25, pretty much a 1-to-1. So overall, a really bad trade. When you look at the execution, could have done a lot better, but that's why we review and we get better and we realize like, hey, I was greedy. Gotta stop. Gotta just let my plan play out and live with those results. And what made it worse was that I took 2 more trades and they ended up being paper cuts, but they cost me my profits. I took another trade and I ended up being down $115 on that trade. I tried to long the market after we had came down. We sold off. We were rallying all day and I was like, okay, just wait for the pullback and try to long the market. I got what I wanted and just didn't end up getting enough bulls to step in, and I ended up losing $115 there. Small little paper cut, no big deal. Only half my profit's gone, right? Then I took another trade for another $115 loss again. Again, same little area. I tried to long the market over here first, tried to long the market over here for a second time, and took another paper cut and was like, okay, I'm done. I'm not going to take any more paper cuts. I'm basically break even on the day and I'm not trying to go red. So I'll just let the rest of the day pass me by. And yeah, had I taken full profit on that first trade, I'd have been up $400. And that was the difference between being green and being break even. So definitely a major lesson learned today. If you like the content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm taking y'all through all my wins, all my losses, my ups, my downs, everything on this journey that we call trading. Right now, I'm working on 3 Top Step 50K challenges, trying to get all 3 of them funded. And my road to my first payout. Tell me down in the comments, what is the lesson the market taught you today, or the biggest lesson the market has ever taught you? But I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.